Today we are going to learn Uyghur alphabet. We already learned 8 vowel sounds: a, e, i, o, u, ü. And today we are going to learn the rest, 24 consonant letter sounds. B, beer. B, P, pear. P, T, tape. T, J, joy and job. J, Ch, child and cheese. Ch, H, H, D, deer. D, Re, Re, Z, zoo and zipper. Z, J, treasure and measure. J, C, sun and song. C, Sh, shake and shape. Sh, Re, Re, Fe, film. Fe, K, 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 cake. K, G, game. G, N, song. N, Le, leg. Le, Me, milk. Me, Ni, nail. Ni, He, herbs. He, We, wait. We, Ye, yay. Ye. This is Uyghur alphabet. A, B, B, T, C, C, H, D, R, Z, J, S, Ş, G, F, K, K, G, N, L, M, N, H, O, U, Ö, Ü, V, E, I, Y. If you notice, we couldn't find He, Re, Re, He, these sounds or letters with English words. If you have any sounds or letters, these letters or sounds in your language, let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It supports me to keep going with the channel. Thank you again and see you next week. Bye!